Hello class, welcome to 1, 2, 3 English with me. I'm teacher Crystal and I am super happy that you are here today. Welcome to lesson 50. Today we are on the last lesson of sense adjectives. We have talked about taste and smell and sight and touch. And today, we are talking about sound adjectives. In yesterday's class, we talked about some of the different ways you can use an adjective in a sentence. Usually, you can use an adjective before a noun. For example, the loud drum. You can also use an adjective after the to-be verb. For example, the drum is loud. And yesterday we talked about using adjectives with a sense word. And since we are talking about sounds today, you could also say the drum sounds loud. Sometimes, if an adjective can be used to describe more than one sense, then you need to specify which sense it is. We saw that in yesterday's lesson with taste. Today, the words that we are going to use in dictation are the following sound adjectives: loud, quiet, eerie, noisy, deafening, creaky, wheezing, silent, and joyous. All 9 of these words will be in your dictation today. Do you have your notebook and pencil ready? One of the things that makes this class different than any other class is that you are expected to participate. If you want to learn through dictation, you need to write the sentences in your notebook and follow along. I will read each sentence 3 times. You write down the words that you hear. At the end of class, we will go through and you will see the correct spelling, punctuation, capitalization, and format of each sentence. Are you ready? Let's begin with number 1. Number 1 is always the date. Today is Friday, February 19th, 2021. Today is Friday, February 19th, 2021. Today is Friday, February 19th, 2021. I read each sentence 3 times so you have time to write it. And make sure you are putting in the correct punctuation and capitalization in your sentence. Spell it the best you can. When I show you this, it means that there are 6 words in the sentence. I count each word as I say it, so you know how many words are in the sentence. Number 2, his music is loud. His music is loud. His music is loud. You can also repeat the sentences with me so you can practice your pronunciation. Number 3, the quiet baby is happy. The quiet baby is happy. There are 2 adjectives in that one. The quiet baby is happy. Number 4. The restaurant is noisy. The restaurant is noisy. The restaurant is noisy. Number 5. Don't go up the creaky stairs. Don't go up the creaky stairs. Don't go up the creaky stairs. Number 6. The woods sound eerie at night. The woods sound eerie at night. The woods sound eerie at night. Number 7. The silent students take a test. The silent students take a test. The silent students take a test. Number 8. The joyous sounds of Christmas. The joyous sounds of Christmas. The joyous sounds of Christmas. Number 9. The thunder is deafening. The thunder is deafening. The thunder is deafening. Number 10. The man has a wheezing cough. The man has a wheezing cough. The man has a wheezing cough. And that's number 10. That's the last one in our dictation today. So I hope you followed along and wrote as many words as you could. And now we get to check it together. You can see the words on the computer. You can fix the sentences in your notebook, so you can go back and read them again later. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1, we began with the date. Today is Friday, February 19th, 2021. We have a capital T because every sentence begins with a capital letter. A capital F for Friday, a capital F for February, a comma that separates Friday and February, and a comma that separates the date and the year. The date is pronounced as an ordinal number, 19th. And there is a period at the end. Number 2, his music is loud. Music is the noun. Loud is the adjective. Is the to-be verb. Number 3, the quiet baby is happy. Quiet describes the baby. Happy also describes the baby. Is our to-be verb. So we used adjective plus noun and noun plus the to-be verb plus the adjective in this one sentence. You could also say the quiet, happy baby, or The baby is quiet and happy. There are lots of different ways you could say this sentence. Number 4, the restaurant is noisy. Restaurant is our noun, is the to be verb, and noisy is the adjective. Noise represents a sound that is unpleasant. Usually people do not like noise. Sound can be pleasing. You can have quiet sounds, you can have loud sounds, but it is different than noise. Number 5, don't go up the creaky stairs. Creaky describes the stairs. So it is our adjective and stairs is the noun. Creaky usually describes the sound of wood when it moves and makes noise. Number 6, the woods sound eerie at night. The woods is our noun. It is a place. Sound is one of our sense verbs. Eerie is our adjective. Eerie means strange or scary. Number 7, the silent students take a test. Silent is our adjective. It describes the students. Silent means no noise, no sounds. Number 8, the joyous sounds of Christmas. Joyous means happy. There are happy sounds that are associated with Christmas. Usually at Christmas time, people are happy and people laugh and people celebrate with family. So there are joyous sounds. Joyous is the adjective, sounds is the noun. Number 9, the thunder is deafening. When there is a storm, thunder is the big boom sound that comes after the lightning. Deafening means very, very loud. It hurts your ears. It makes it so you cannot hear. It's so loud. And number 10, the man has a wheezing cough. Wheezing describes his cough. Many times if people have asthma, they have a wheezing cough. And that is the last one. So how did you do today? Are you getting better? Are you following along every day? The more you practice, the better you get. The more you practice, the more you will hear the individual words and the correct pronunciation so you can write the word in your notebook. You will begin to hear new sounds and understand more words. As you write them in your notebook, you are writing them in the correct format so you can see the sentence structure. This will help you when you are ready to speak. You have the practice of seeing and hearing the correct format. So this is very important. You get all 4 key skills of learning a new language, which are listening, speaking, writing, and reading. So I hope you're following along. What is your favorite sound? My favorite sound is the sound of rain. I love rain, and I love listening to rain. So write it in the comments below, or you can write it on Facebook if you want to write it there. We always have lots of conversations on Facebook about our dictation. So I'm super glad that you were here today, and I will see you again tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so you know when the classes are ready. Goodbye.